Let me show you how to use calculus to calculate exactly how much of this beautiful ice cream cone I'm going to eat right now. By the word, I've already started. So I want to find the volume of a solid consisting of a hemisphere, the ice cream of a radius r, placed on the top of the right circular cone, the wafer, of radius r and height h. The base of the hemisphere coincides with the top of the cone. Fine. We place the solid with its axis along the x-axis. Let the tip of the cone be at the origin. Okay, imagine. Then the cone extends from 0 to h along the x-axis, and the hemisphere of the radius r sits on the top of the cone. So its flat face is at h, and extends to h plus r. Very simple. We can see that total shape is created by rotating this region around the x-axis. The boundary of this region is made of two different functions. So first function, y sub cone, we define it as r over h multiplied by x. For the hemisphere, the outline is a quarter of the circle, so we can write down that x minus h squared plus y squared equals r squared. And solving for the positive y gives us that y sub hemisphere is going to be the square root of r squared minus x minus h squared. Wonderful. Now we just understand that, absolutely, rotating these curves about the x-axis, the volume is the sum of two integrals. Pi multiplied by over from a integral from 0 to h of y sub cone squared dx. This is the first integral, and the second integral, pi multiplied by the integral from h to h plus r. Now it's the hemisphere, y sub hemisphere squared dx. Now substituting the functions gives us this. And now everything is very simple. We just simplify the integrals. In fact, we just need to evaluate these integrals. It's as simple as that. And this is a different conversation. Right, we evaluate the integrals. First integral is going to be pi r squared h divided by 3. And second integral is going to be 2 over 3 pi r cubed. Wonderful. So the final volume is going to be the sum of these two volumes. And now if we take some concrete numbers and we substitute them there, we'll get the exact volume of the ice cream I'm going to eat right now. Follow for more math hacks. And by the way, check the caption.